Scientists say a solar storm that began with a massive solar flare earlier this week is growing as it races away from the sun and toward the Earth. Now, it could affect your GPS, your cell phone, and more. Fox 5's George Franco joins us from the weather deck with more on this cosmic event and its impact. George, it's not something we can really see, is it?
Well, Doug, no, it's not something you can see, especially in the dark. But even as darkness has fallen, the effects of this major solar event is being felt across the globe. And tonight, we found solar physicist Stephen Ramsden to tell us what it's all about. You can see the images of solar flares in this NASA video. Scientists classify them as X-class storms, the most powerful in space.
This is a major solar event. An X-5 solar flare is extremely high on the scale. You have CM and X. So an X-5 solar flare is a significant event that should be taken notice of.
Atlanta-based solar physicist Stephen Ramsden tells us the X-5 solar flares release incredible amounts of radiation that is bombarding our atmosphere and could disrupt our GPS devices, cell phones, and more.
Anything that relies upon satellite transmission, your ATM, your GPS, DirecTV, all those features can go away for brief periods or up to a week or two during a major solar flare event.
Ramsden is also an air traffic controller. He says certain high flights can be affected by the way the ultra-high radiation wraps itself around our Earth's north and south poles.
Let's say if you were going from Atlanta to Korea right now, instead of going over the North Pole, you'd have to stay south, maybe New York over London. It might take twice as long to get there, but that's the way to do it safely.
Ramsden established the Charlie Bates Solar Astronomy Project, named after a friend who passed away. He says his mission is to teach school children about the wonders of our sun, especially right now.
They will look through this, and their sunspot right now on the sun is so large you can see it with the naked eye. So there's a spot up there that produced this flare that's as large as all the planets in the solar system put together.
And that's one mighty large solar flare. And Mr. Ramsden reminds us never to look directly at the sun with our naked eye. Instead, he says, use some kind of protection like these glasses he gave me. And you know, I'm going to put them on tomorrow and look at the sun myself. If you'd like to learn more about our solar event that we are all going through right now, we have linked Mr. Ramsden's website to our website, myfoxatlanta.com. Live tonight at our weather deck, or should I say our solar deck. I'm George Franco, Fox 5 News.